Hey guys, Dozer here. Happy Easter everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're spending some time with family and friends and just relaxing and enjoying this absolutely beautiful weather. It kind of feels a bit more like spring. It's an absolute cracker. Blue skies, no wind, it's perfect. Or even going for a pedal. So anyway, I thought it'd be a great time to finally do a bike check on the Purple Love machine. My Supercross RS7 Pro XL Cruiser in Mystic Rainbow. At the moment it looks like it's a matte purple in under the veranda here, so it's a bit not as bright under here, but in the sun, if anybody's actually seen this bike in the sun, it absolutely pops. It's got crazy fleck in it. You see greens and blues, and even a little bit of orange in it, but it looks just like an 80s speedboat. So thought it'd be time to do this. I got this bike at the end of 2022, just before we went to Grands, and I thought, nah, I won't build it up to take, because I just didn't want it to get damaged or scratched, especially in transport, and just basically kept the fluoro flash built up and took that, and coincidentally the flash got a big scratch there and a couple underneath, so I was kind of glad I didn't take this. Yeah, it's an absolute cracker, but the paint on this is crazy. There's been a lot of different slight little upgrades, changes in the frames from the V5 to the RS7, which we can talk about when I do a few more close-ups. But yeah, basically ordered it through Shane, and we were actually surprised when we opened the box to see how much the color popped. It was, oh yeah, purple, because as you know, it's my favorite color. So when we pulled it out of the box and then went into the sun, it was like, oh wow. We actually didn't realize when we ordered it was gonna be that color and that amazing. I'm so happy with this. Also, I got the brand new tapered crown SLT forks in the 20mm front, because I put a brand new Profile Elite 20mm hub in the front end, just to give it a bit more stiffness in the front. But yeah, pretty much this bike is a completely new build. There's a couple of things that have crossed over, like the handlebars and the brakes, the lever and the calipers at the back, but pretty much most things, and also obviously the wheel set. The wheel set's been with me for 7 years. I got this wheel set back when we first started the profile team in 2017. Built these up, these Alienation Mischief and Malice rims with the polished Profile Elites. They've had a couple of hardware changes. I've got a tie driver in the back now, and I'm running the 20mm at the front now, but pretty much this is the wheel set that I built up. Same spokes, same nipples. It's bulletproof, this wheel set, and it's yeah, I love it. They run true, they run straight. yeah, the hubs are still going strong. I mean, Profile is the #1 in hubs for me, and I ran Profile products even on my bikes before I was riding for the team and sponsored. So I absolutely love their products. But yeah, this is an absolute cracker of a bike. It's probably the best bike I've actually put together. I mean, I said that with my SX 250, but this thing, as a race bike, this thing is it's an absolute cracker. I will go through and do a because I'm filming by myself, so I will do an up and close and personal and go through the parts, descriptions and all that. But yeah, I hope you like it. I'll throw up a couple of videos to tack on to this little spiel, but yeah, I can't say enough about this bike, and I'm really happy. And I know a few of you've checked it out when I've been at race meetings like the big titles, and absolutely love the colour too. And I always love your support, everybody out there, all the kind words and stuff, and hopefully you'll get to see me more and more around the track. I'm riding a lot more now. I went down to Park Orchards last weekend with Matty. Up with Glenn and Shane, my teammates. Had an absolute blast. I hadn't ridden there in 3 years at Park Orchards and absolutely had the best time. So I'm still smiling now. It was so much fun. But yeah, also I've got the Profile Elite ALs on here now. We put them on yesterday. Matty White came to the track. We did an installation shoot. Putting them on my bike, and then he sort of had to take off. He had something else that he needed to take care of, so me and Shane stayed at the track and did a little bit of riding. And these cranks are phenomenal. I could straight away feel the difference, just the way, because the Q factor is a lot tighter than I've come off the Profile Elite Chromo cranks, which are amazing within themselves. But these these things, you can just straight away feel the acceleration. You just get on the power, and I just feel like my pedaling was more efficient. I sort of ended up with some sore calves actually, because I was really having a heap of fun, and maybe I can harness these big bad boys, these calves, and maybe I can get a bit more speed going. But just how light they feel and how smooth they spin is unbelievable. And you straight away, as soon as I took the bike off the bike stand and we did a few checks, and then I just rode on the side of the track, I was like, this is crazy. I did see him for the first time with Wes, my other teammate from New South Wales. He put a set on at BSX, and I also had a sneaky ride out at Shane's out the front of his house. But to ride on the track with these cranks, to look at them, the workmanship, a lot of thought and R&D has gone into these. But yeah, I can talk about them all day long too. So yeah, I'll go through my parts list and do a little close-up and jam all this together and put it on my channel, and hopefully you like it. Check it out. Leave feedback, drop some comments. Like I said, thank you for the support, everybody. I love yous all, and Dozer out. So here we are. We'll start at the front. So as I said before, Profile Elite 20mm hub, black spokes, brass nipples on the Alienation Mischief rim. Got the brand new Supercross SLT forks with the tapered crown, and also if you come around here, there's a little imprint there. It says Supercross. It's a little bit of a homage, I think, to the old SE landing gear forks. A little bit of history too. Bill actually did work for Scott Brohart when he was younger. So yeah, there's always a soft spot there for SE. Bill always has a bit of a soft spot. But yeah, as we go up, profile push stem in 53mm. Also, I treated myself to some rainbow tie spokes, and got the ODI Troy Lee grips, the Speedline Pro lever and Speedline brake lever. And as you go around, you can see the integrated brake cable inside the frame, which I absolutely love. Looks so much cleaner. Yeah, it's just such a clean look. Got the S&M 29ers. I love these bars. They've got a really flat feel to them. 29 inch wide. I just love the back sweep, not too much up sweep on them. But as we get to the back end, got a Speedline quick release, profile winged piece seat, and obviously a polished Supercross pole. Running the Pedal Innovation pedals, the Catalyst pedal, absolutely love them. They're so good for my feet, especially with my damaged right foot. They've been a game changer for me. But just the retro kind of style graphics too, the colors. Supercross have always done awesome with fluoro. But yeah, there's these bad boys, Profile Elite ALs. Just absolutely sensational. Just can't rave about them enough. Just very, very lucky. And like I said, big shout out to Gary at ECI, also Gus, the team manager in Profile in the US. Thank you for making this happen. Yeah, so got the Profile, the Speedline rear brakes, love them. And when you run the cable and the lever, there's an unbelievable brakes. Yeah, as you come down, got the 15mm Profile Elite hub with the tie driver inside. Just a sort of I'm a bit of a bigger boy, sort of got a bit more power, so it's always good to run the tie. Got the little ODI valve cover there, the long neck. But yeah, we're running the Alienation in the rear. So yeah, as you can see, it's an absolute cracker of a bike. So happy with it. Yeah, thanks everybody for the positive vibes as always. Always get some really nice comments about this bike. So yeah, I'm glad everybody likes it. Got the Speedline tensioners there also, because yeah, I'm really paranoid about my back wheel moving ever since I had that big crash a long time ago. But yeah, there it is, my current race bike. Yeah, couldn't be happier. I love how Bill's made these forks with the tapered crown. Just really ties it off nicely, and yeah, just looks really good. So yeah, like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Super stoked. Thanks for all the positive feedback, and yeah, hopefully I can do more of these. And yeah, happy Easter, everybody. Is it recording? Can you see? Flashing the light? Is it flashing the light? I think it's a little red light going bip bip bip. Yeah, thanks. Cool. Dankeschön. You done? All right. Nah. GoPro, stop recording. I just wanted to add a little extra reel to my latest bike check. Big shout out to Isaac, my Supercross brother over in the States. He did a really cool interview with Jenko on BMXUltra.com, and he commented on a few of my previous bike checks that I did here on the veranda, that he could see the cathedral in the background, and he really liked it, which was an inspiration to do my latest bike check here on the veranda again, on my RS7. So yeah, thanks brother, also for the kind words on the interview. I really appreciate it. It would be really rad if you could come out, and I'll definitely take you over there to have a look through it, but also to ride our bikes around this this nice big country town. So yeah, shout out to everybody, thanks again, and Dozer out.